I found an auction for a kx65 dirt bike, so of course I bought it. And $1,350 later, I'm broke. And I thought it was a good idea that I should spend more money. So I went to Amazon. Dirt bike lift? Sure, why not? Exhaust packing? Sure, I guess. I also got an air filter because I guess my bike needs lungs. I got a seat cover so I'm not sliding around. A cup to measure the oil I have to mix. Oil to use in the cup. Sandpaper. And $270 later, it all came. Okay, so this is me talking normally. Dang it. First.